everybody, it's me Jessica again, and today we are going to be doing some phonics work. Today we are going on a sound hunt. So here are some of the sounds that we are going to be looking for today. S, A, T, P, I, Letter name S, letter sound S, for snake. Can you think of anything that begins with the S sound? Now we've got A, letter name A, letter sound A. A for apple. Can you think of anything else that begins with the A sound? T, t, t. Letter name T, letter sound T. T for tortoise. What can you think of that begins with the T sound? P, p, p. Letter name P, letter sound P. P for princess. What else can you think of that begins with the P sound? I. Letter name I, letter sound I. I for igloo. What else can you think of that begins with the I sound? Last one. Letter name N, letter sound for nose, for nose. What else can you think of that begins with the sound? Okay, so we're going to go on our sound hunt now. So I want you to keep your eyes peeled and help me look for things that begin with our key sounds. S, A, T, P, I. So let's go and have a look. We're going on a sound hunt, we're searching for some sounds. What will we find? Looking for the sound S. Okay, I'm in my garden now. It's a bit windy and rainy, but that won't stop us having fun and finding some sounds. The first sound is S. S for soil and for seed. Soil and seed in my shed. We're going on a sound hunt, we're searching for some sounds. What will we find? Looking for the sound A. A for apple tree. There aren't any apples on the apple tree yet. The apples will come in autumn. A for autumn. We're going on a sound hunt, we're searching for some sounds. What will we find? Looking for the sound T. T for table. T for tomatoes. T for tennis ball. T for tap. We're going on a sound hunt, we're searching for some sounds. What will we find? Looking for the sound P. P for plants. P for pots. P for puppy. We're going on a sound hunt, we're searching for some sounds. What will we find? Looking for the sound for nest. There's a nest in my bird's house. We're going on a sound hunt, we're searching for some sounds. What will we find? Looking for the sound I. I for inside. Let's go inside before we get rained on even more. Okay, we're back inside now. Our sound hunt is finished. Thank you for helping me. We found lots of things.
for our key sounds. Now, my challenge for you is I want you to go on your own sound hunt, okay, around your house or around your garden, looking for the sounds that we used today. S, a, t, p, I. And I want you to tell me what you can find in your sound hunt that begins with those sounds. Good luck, have fun, see you soon.